One fairly new way to get around the Twin Cities is light rail. Light rail is a train system that makes frequent stops. In 2018, we have two lines, the Green Line and the Blue Line. In this video, we'll look at the Green Line, but the Blue Line map and schedule works the same way. So the Green Line goes between Target Field in Minneapolis and Union Depot, which is in St. Paul. The nice thing about the train is that you can go either direction. You can go from Minneapolis to St. Paul or St. Paul to Minneapolis. When you're looking at schedules, it's really important to know the direction you are going. Are you going east or are you going west? So I have added a compass rose to the Green Line maps. That's the symbol in the top right that tells you which direction is north, south, east, and west. Okay, so on our map, if we're going from Minneapolis to St. Paul, we're heading east. So Minneapolis is over here. St. Paul is down here. So when we head this direction towards the right, that is east. Again, we can also go the other direction. We can start in St. Paul and go to Minneapolis. So if we're heading that direction towards the left, we are going west. Again, you can always refer to this symbol up above to figure out what direction you're going. Here I've made the map a little bit larger so you can more clearly see the stations. Is Prospect Park to Victoria Street eastbound or westbound? So first, take some time to find those stations. Prospect Park is now highlighted in blue. Okay, that's where we're starting. And then we want to finish at Victoria Street. So it might help to kind of draw the direction. So we're starting over here. We're heading that direction. Okay, so I'm heading towards the right. That means I'm heading east. So Prospect Park to Victoria Street is eastbound. Let's try another one. The second question says, is Snelling Avenue to Nicollet Mall eastbound or westbound? So on your map, find Snelling Avenue. So I've highlighted Snelling Avenue in yellow. I'm going to Nicollet Mall, which is way over here. Okay, so I'm starting at Snelling. I'm going towards Nicollet. So that means I'm traveling towards the left. We are going westbound. When you're on the train, they will announce what stop they are at, so you know when to get off. However, a lot of people still count the number of stops so they can kind of predict how long until they get off. So imagine you get on at Lexington Parkway. You are going until you get to East Bank. You might want to count how many stops it is. When you're counting stops, you don't include where you started, but you are including where you're done. So let's count it out. From Lexington, Hamlin is stop 1, Snelling is 2, Fairview is 3, Raymond is 4, Westgate is 5, Prospect Park is 6, Stadium Village is 7, East Bank is the 8th stop. So I would get off on the 8th stop.